I just bought a bag that goes against everything that I look for in a bag. Well, I mean, okay, not everything, but a lot. However, it is also one of the most beautiful and cutest bags that I have ever seen from Louis Vuitton. So here she is. It's from the Louis Vuitton Vernis collection, Vernis. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it correctly, so please let me know in the comment section below because I have never had anything from this leather. And I believe that it's part from the spring-summer, pre-spring-summer 2024 collection. Again, I am not 100% sure, so if you know, please let me know in the comment section below because I would love for others to know the exact name of the collection. But now let's move on to the unboxing. I am so excited. She's fresh from the store. I have not opened it up yet, and I'm actually very lucky because this collection officially launches on the 1st of January, but because I pre-ordered it a few weeks ago, I was able to pick it up already today. While I'm opening this, can I just say that this collection is a pastel handbag heaven. Okay, this is not really going as smooth as I thought it would be. And there are four main colors: pink, lilac, blue, and also a yellow, which in certain pictures actually looks, here we go, it kind of looks like a light pistachio green. So I'm very curious how that one is going to look in real life. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to look at the other colors and other bags because the collection officially has not launched yet. But when it will launch, I would love to go and see them just because I think that this is a very special collection. And I think it's one that everyone's gonna go crazy for. Okay, so here she is. For me, it was always one clear winner. The bag style, the color, I immediately knew, as soon as I saw it, I immediately knew that this is going to be the one. So let me just take it out of the box. Okay guys, so based on the size, I think you can already kind of guess which bag I got. And here she is. The Louis Vuitton NANO SPEEDY in this beautiful light blue, pastel blue color. Isn't this just the cutest little thing that you have ever seen? I can't. Why does it look so big on camera? It's actually so teeny tiny. Like, look, when I put it closer to my body, you can see how teeny tiny this bag is. Last year, they did a very, very similar handbag style for Valentine's Day. It was baby pink, and people lost their minds. For me, it wasn't a bag for me just because I think that with the baby pink and the tiny little size, something was too much, something wasn't working. So as soon as I saw that it's going to be available in blue, it just clicked. I knew that this is the bag for me. Now let me show you the bag up close. So it's made of vernis leather, which is a little bit scary because of how it normally ages. And then it also has a vachetta trim and also vachetta leather handles, which is also kind of scary because, once again, of how it ages. So this is going to be a little bit of an adventure for me to see how this bag is going to hold up in 5, 10, 20 years time. But listen, if we don't take any risks, do we even live? Yes, I know, I'm an enabler, so you can't really take my advice, but all I can say is that right now, this bag looks like a wrapped candy, and I haven't even shown you the best part yet. So like I said before, this is my first ever handbag in this particular leather, and any accessory for that matter. And so I don't know if this is how the leather normally looks, but it has the most beautiful shimmer to it. If you're not able to see it in the camera, I will definitely insert some watch shots because it is stunning. Okay, and let's do a quick little 360 of the bag. The front is the same as the back, and here we have the bottom, and all over there is the Louis Vuitton monogram embossed in the leather. Very simple but beautiful. Okay, and now let's open it. So it has a nice and smooth zipper. Then we have all the documents inside, And this bag also comes with a very special strap, which is different from all the other Speedies. As regards to the lining, it is not microfiber. I believe that this is cotton or potentially cotton mixed with nylon. And my bag, as I can see, was made in France. So that's also nice. And now let me show you the strap. So normally Nano Speedies, they come with a matching vachetta leather strap. However, this particular Speedy comes with a chain strap and it has three charms. We have a little heart that kind of looks like marble. Then we have the Louis Vuitton logo and the Louis Vuitton flower in a matching color as the heart. How cute. At first I was a little bit disappointed that it doesn't come with the regular vachetta strap, but then I tried it on and it looked so good. Like this just adds that little bit of extra to that bag. And I think if you're a collector, this is so cool because most likely if you have a Speedy already, or if you have multiple different Speedies, then you already have so many of the vachetta straps. So this is something new, and it's also something that you can use on all of your other Nano Speedies. For me, this is my first ever Nano Speedy, so the only thing that kind of concerned me was that this is not adjustable, unlike the regular vachetta strap. However, I tried it on. I tried it on as a crossbody bag. I tried it on as a shoulder bag, and the chain strap length is actually perfect for me. Once again, I will insert some mod shots so that you can see how this bag looks on my height as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. I particularly loved how these charms looked on me when I wore this bag as a crossbody bag because it added a nice, unique touch to an already very special bag. What's also great is that you can use this chain strap and attach it to any bag. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Nano Speedy. You can attach it to any small bag. I will definitely try and attach it to my pink leather Speedy 20 because I think it's going to be a perfect match, especially with these pink little charms. However, I wouldn't risk attaching it to any bag that is bigger than the Speedy 20 just because I wouldn't want to risk damaging it or even potentially breaking it, because even though this chain feels like it's good quality and sturdy, it is meant for small bags. It is not meant for big and heavy bags. Okay, and here she is with the chain. I know that the chain is not going to be for everybody, but luckily it's detachable, so you can just carry it as a top handle bag, or you can also purchase the vachetta strap separately. I'm pretty sure that you can you? I'm gonna have to check the Louis Vuitton website because I don't want to lie to you. I'm not sure if you want to see what fits in this bag because there are already so many videos on Nano Speedies and on what fits in Nano Speedies, but if you do, I'm still here, so just leave me like a bunny emoji in the comment section below and I will film a little like a YouTube short or something for you guys. Overall, I think that this is such a beautiful bag and I had wanted a bag in this color, in light blue or pale blue or baby blue, for so long, and to me this is a color that almost classifies as a neutral. So I have a lot of styling ideas because I've never had this color in my handbag collection, so I am very excited because I think that for me, this is a color and a bag that will mostly get used in spring. And guess what, guys? Spring is coming. I think it's going to be the perfect match for trench coats because it's like a subtle pop of color, which I am absolutely here for. And then I also think it's going to be a bag that's going to dress down like more formal outfits, like tweed pieces, tweed blazers, or any blazers or suits in general. Pair this with a suit and a pair of sneakers. Absolute perfection. That's going to be my spring 2024 uniform. So that's it for my video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can see you in my next one. Stay safe, everyone.